Tripura Student Federation, under the initiatives of NESO, protested in front of Circuit House of Agartala on Thursday, demanding to bring back the peace at Manipur State. Advisor of NESO Upendra Debarma, ex-GS of TSF Sunil Debarma, and Secretary of TSF Hamalu Zomatia were present. Peace at Manipur has completely vanished for past few months because of the disputes and clashes between Kuki and Meitei community. Numbers of innocent people has died in the midst of this. This incident might have ended if the central government gives importance and solves it, but the central government doesn't want to bring peace at Manipur, which is why Northeast Student Organization decided to hold a demonstration in all over the state of the Northeast on Thursday. Likewise, Tripura Students Federation, under the initiatives of NESO, protested in front of Circuit House of Agartala on Thursday, demanding to bring back the peace at Manipur State. Advisor of NESO Upendra Debarma, ex-GS of TSF Sunil Debarma, Secretary of TSF Hamalu Zomatia, and other members of TSF were present.
See, on behalf of NESO, we are holding a demonstration today. It is not only here in the state of Tripura, but the demonstration is statewide. Even in the state of Manipur, Meghalaya, in all the northeastern states. We have seen the incident that is happening in the state of Manipur. For the past 6 months, the government of India is totally blind and silent. We believe that the government of India is showing ill treatment towards the people of northeastern state. We appeal the government of India to step in and immediately bring peace. We have seen and visited in the month of August what is happening in the state of Manipur. And we have seen the kids, the women, the all ages people, how they are living in a pathetic way. We have seen more than 50,000 Central Armed Force were deployed. But our question is that why the government of India cannot bring peace? Even thousands of Central Armed Force were deployed in the state of Manipur. So today, on behalf of NESO and with the component body of NESO, TSF, we are holding a sitting demonstration here in Agartala. It's not only here in Agartala, even in the state of Arunachal, Meghalaya, Manipur, Assam, Mizoram, in all the state of Northeast, we are holding a demonstration today. See, TSF is an organization for all the states. So we have our student union, maybe KRP, DSU, MSU, GSU, they all are here today.
Najinder Jordan Simon last 8 months, Mars and Simis in Manipur, Hastewa, Sini Northeast, the clay story to money, Koki, Mete by Abunantishini central government, Abuna Pura Abbot Kayabro importance Riavoy, Zebabesinara, Manipur, Sini Borok, Borok, the clays Nangai, Jamilano, Borok, solution Kanyan steps to Nuzagia. Tinis are 8 months, Kaka, Tavo Fondasina. Manipur Hastewa, Pradhan Montri, Tavafon Amanticuno, Step Nama Nozagia. Gama Hakan seen in Northeast, Zakono, class and Kakapora importance ria. Seen in Bishingos, divide Kanyan, dividing Tomanis in Bula Chocolate, Tomani Borabonocono, central government Amakuna headache. Abonas and Cardwatini, Pora Northeast, Northeast Social Organization, Sara at Sata Rajova Atta Organization Milway, Jota Zagona, Tini Oban Tree. Justice honey Manipurians and peace and harmony. Our demand kai central government immediately stem nana bagai tini jotons and Tansakaye, Ekai Chaimo, Sino Kaduma Panda Punuzaka, Tini TSF or Northeast Student Organization and Kasha organization part of a Singoro organized Kayo, or Mahakano, Naga student, Hote Manipur student, Asu Jota Milu Tini, Manipurni solution, Manipuri problem no, solution Tiklana Bagai. central government thani sing our pressure dina bagai chini chini khadumani panda
जोंथिनि नर्थ इस्टनि अब थांनाय 31 तारिखआव गुवाहाटीआव मिटिं माने रिजाल्ट जोंथिनि 9 नभेम्बर जत नर्थ इस्टनि स्टेट्स कैपिटल अब नर्थ इस्ट वाइड नेशननि जत मेम्बर अर्गेनाइजेशन बाय तिनि अ प्रोटेस्ट ओंगै दङ जत जागाव जाने जा स्टाइल खलायो अब सिट इन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन बा रैली आबाय जत जाने जागा जानजा मानतै खलायलायो अब अ कारणे खलायजागो जे नर्थ इस्टनि मणिपुरनि स्टेटआव थांनाय 190 दिननि बिसि ओंगै थांका ताबुकसाक जरो आरो कुकी मेइते बरंनि जे वार चलि दंमोनि इंडिया गवर्नमेंट आबनो जायखायांगै दङ इंडिया गवर्नमेंट जदिनो नायखांखाय आबनो इजिली सल्व खालायमानो मेइते ताय कुकी रंनि इशुनो फेबा इंडिया गवर्नमेंट बरंनि इंटरेस्ट गरै नर्थ इस्टनि साखाव बरंनि इंटरेस्ट गरै आबन बागै सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट नि अटेंशन नो ड्र खालायनायनि बागै जों नेसो निंगै जों तिनोरो टीएसएफ आगुलिवो और सर्किट हाउस जों अ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट नि अटेंशन ड्र खालायनायनि बागै जों मणिपुरनि परमानेंट पीस नि बागै जों तिनोरो अ मुभमेंट खालाय दङ आं उपेन्द्र देव बर्मा गोजाम प्रेसिडेंट टीएसएफ ताय नेशनल एडवाइजर
On this day, all the TSM members protested for the peace of Manipur state, carrying the placards in its hand. Reported by Prabir from Agartala, Chinikhorang.